Hi everybody. Well, as you can probably hear, yeah, it's raining out. So today we're going to work on a project on the camper van on the inside where it's dry. We're good, and we're going to start and work on putting the ceiling in. So the first step to this is we've got to put some wood up here to be able to hook our ceiling wood up to. So what we're going to do is we're going to install wood alongside of the frame just like that. Yep, it's still raining out, but I got all my boards attached, so we're gonna let the adhesive dry tonight, and maybe tomorrow we'll start and hang some boards up. Okay, so after a hard day at it, we got all the tongue and groove boards up on the ceiling. The strip that you see that's open right there, I left that open. There's going to be some wiring that goes in there. And then there's a 1x6 that goes over that to hide that or cover it up. Now 1x6 is where the lights will be mounted. So I've got some wiring to do before I can get that in. I need to get the ceiling fan wired up. But yeah, we're looking good at this point. So I put the center strip in. Got the holes cut where the lights will go. The trim on the vent fan. And that's the ceiling. Okay, so that pretty much finishes up the ceiling, except for the fact that I don't know if we're going to paint it or stain it yet. And also the lights have to be wired and put in. That'll come later. As you probably did notice, there is some wires hanging through. I did have to put some of the wiring in before I put the ceiling up, because it would have all been covered up with the ceiling. So yeah, so for this part of the build, let's take a look at the cost. We had the 2x2s that we put on the cross members. That was $11.92. The biggest cost on this part of the build was the tongue and groove boards, $103.92 for them. The 1x6 that goes down the center is $10.28. I figured in miscellaneous fasteners about $5. So, oh, and there's a 1x3 trim board that goes on the side where the wiring is at, and it cost $2.98. It's not up yet either. So the total for the ceiling is $134.10. Now that brings the total van build to date up to $343.87. So I guess we'll get ready for the next project on the van. Thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next part of this build.